Hey guys! Today I'll show you how you can make your past posts private on Facebook. So let's get started. If you want to change the visibility of your old posts on Facebook, there are two simple methods you can use directly from the app. First, open the Facebook app and tap on your profile icon. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Method 1. Limit past posts to friends. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section and tap on Posts. Look for the option that says Limit who can see past posts and press View. Then tap Limit Past Posts and confirm by pressing the blue Limit button. This option changes all your previous public posts so that only your friends can see them. It's the fastest way to increase your privacy in one step. Method 2. Make all past posts only me. If you want complete privacy so that no one else can see your past posts, go back to Settings and scroll down to Your Activity. Tap on Activity Log. Next, tap the drop-down next to Your Facebook Activity. Scroll to Posts and select Your Posts, Photos, and Videos. Scroll all the way down until all your past posts are fully loaded. Once everything appears, scroll back to the top and tap Select All. Then tap the three dots, choose Change Audience, and set it to Only Me. Confirm the change, and all selected posts will now be visible only to you. This way, you can either limit your posts to friends or completely hide them from everyone except yourself. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.